Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies suggest that hibiscus tea can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Hibiscus tea has mild laxative properties that can help with digestion and prevent constipation. It contains vitamin C and other antioxidants that strengthen the immune system and help the body fight off infections. Hibiscus extract can inhibit the production of amylase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates, which might help in weight management. The flower has compounds that can help reduce inflammation and combat bacterial infections. Hibiscus tea is popular worldwide for its tangy flavor and vibrant color. It's often enjoyed hot or iced. Hibiscus can be used in various dishes, including salads, sauces, and desserts, adding a unique flavor. Hibiscus has mucilage properties that help retain moisture, making it a great ingredient in skincare products. The natural acids in hibiscus help exfoliate the skin, promoting cell turnover and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Hibiscus is used in hair treatments to promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and condition the scalp. The vibrant flowers are often used in decorative arrangements and traditional ceremonies. Hibiscus flowers are not only beautiful but also packed with numerous health, culinary, and skincare benefits. Incorporating hibiscus into your diet and beauty routine can offer a range of positive effects.